What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. We're going to be covering the Sofi stock today and also be covering the overall market. Be sure to smash the like button. We got earnings coming up tomorrow. It's going to be a roller coaster. Be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get this video over 1,500 likes. Be sure to drop a comment. What is your expectations for Sofi earnings? Are you expecting a double beat, a guidance raise? Be sure to drop me a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I possibly can. And only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on the Sofi stock, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on all of the breaking news covering the Sofi stock. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, take a look real quick. This right here is the NASDAQ. Holy crap. Red, green, red, green. This thing is moving like a penny stock. It's only moving off of news and headlines, okay? All of these companies inside of the NASDAQ are disconnected from their fundamentals. It's just going off the news. We had that nuclear, war headlines last night absolutely tanking the market, and I just saw it creep up hour by hour by hour. I knew today was going to finish green, and as you can see, we did finish green about, 0.5%, but man, this thing is moving like a penny stock, and I'm telling you right now, a lot of day traders are getting smoked because this thing is moving quick. And you already know, guys, we follow about 70 growth stocks in the portfolio, some mega caps as well, JP Morgan, Airbnb, Snowflake. Couple of companies were down in the red a little bit, okay? Couple of flat, about 1%, 2%. Shopify, Spotify, Roblox. A lot of companies were doing extremely well today, guys. They were even beating out the NASDAQ. We can see here, SoFi finished in the top 12 out of the 70 companies, 7% gain on the day. Multiple companies in the 7% range. Upstart got back all of those gains that they lost on their earnings. So Upstart did have an amazing day, and they did deserve it because, they did lose a lot of gains, this last week with that war volatility. So 16% gain for Upstart. But as you can see, there is a little bit of a run up, just like I was predicting. I just didn't predict such a sell-off for SoFi before the earnings, but we're getting a little bit of a run up, and we may see more of a run up tomorrow. All right, guys, and I covered this in a video, I believe a couple of weeks ago. SoFi's Q4 website visit trends hold promise ahead of earnings, okay? And we can see right here on the unreported period, I mean, everything is going inside of the right direction. Growth was 20% from Q3 to Q4. That is absolutely insane, okay? 20% gain on desktop, 22% gain on mobile. The company is notably putting a lot of effort into influencer campaigns to increase its reach and pull more of a crowd onto its website. This is positively reflected in customers' acquisition volumes as indicated by the management in SoFi's Q3 earnings call. This uptrend is likely to have continued boosting website visibility and customer acquisition in Q4, thereby driving revenues, okay? So website traffic is doing extremely solid. SoFi's marketing is coming into place very well. We know that they didn't put out a Super Bowl commercial. Maybe they believe they have better, return on their investment, doing these campaigns on TikTok, doing Instagram influencer marketing. These guys know what they're doing, so I would not, go against any of this management's, judgment. And guys, take a look at this. Top Wall Street analysts like these stocks amid the market turbulence. This literally just came out yesterday. And if we scroll down, we have Amazon, okay? Scroll down a little bit further. Walmart. Scroll down a little bit further. Home Depot. Scroll down a little bit further. SoFi Technologies. Guys, they are putting us up with some big mega cap companies. I'm telling you right now, SoFi will be a big player in the future. We have just had that 1 year nasty volatility. I'm telling you right now, this is the accumulation phase, and we know for sure institutions have been accumulating. Price targets are still extremely high from here, even on these price target cuts in this type of environment. And we know that all of these analysts that have been giving out these price targets are loading. Mizuho, increased their position like 300 to 600%. Morgan Stanley, over 1,000%. These guys have been loading up positions on SoFi during this, market volatility on these sell-offs. And remember, guys, I really look at all of these analysts and I read up on their summaries. We have 11 analysts covering this stock, 3 holds, 8 buys, no sells. A lot of different personal opinions, okay? A lot of different, price targets going around. And we know one guy put out a $14 price target last week that's not even updated. You still have about 64% upside from here, even with all these price target cuts. But the top Wall Street analyst that was recommending SoFi, with, Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot is this guy right here, David C. from Wedbush. This is a 5-star analyst. These are the guys you want to be looking at, okay? This guy's ranked top 394 out of, almost 8,000 analysts on tip ranks. top 500 out of 16,000 overall. And you can see he actually has a hold on Upstart. He thinks Upstart has ran a little bit too high. And even though many other analysts think Upstart has higher price target, to go. But if you take a look at his SoFi price target, I mean, his price target is actually higher than the 18.5. That is the overall right now. He has 74% upside with a $20 price target, and also reiterated his price target and says this company has amazing fundamentals. And we'll read up on what he said, now that, SoFi just did that acquisition with Technisys. About a month ago, after clearing a key hurdle towards becoming a bank, SoFi announced its secured acquisition of digital banking platform Technisys. The financial service tech firm has had a volatile 2 years as a publicly traded company, seeing its valuation shoot up and down multitudes of its original price. The environment caused by easy credit and high liquidity is expected to wind down as the Federal Reserve tightens monetary policy, yet analysts remain overwhelmingly bullish on SoFi. So guys, every one of these analysts are bullish. I mean, we are still 70% upside even with these price target cuts the past 4 months since our earnings. The company offers financial products through its mobile and desktop platforms, and its banking capacities are expected to be boosted by the absorption of Technisys. This is the opinion of analyst David C. from Wedbush Securities, who noted that the $1.1 billion deal could help SoFi achieve its goal of becoming the Amazon Web Service of fintech. Additionally, SoFi will have the ability to innovate more efficiently, release new products, and streamline its decision-making capabilities. The analyst said the merger could lead to an additional revenue streams and cross-selling opportunities, anticipating that the deal could bring in 500 to 800 million more in revenue by the end of 2025. David C. wrote that with Technisys, the platform will combine with Galileo to become the only company per management that offers a customizable multi-product core financial platform with both UX and UI streamlining and payment processing capabilities all in one tech stack, guys. This is, the cream of the crop for, TipRanks analysts, guys. Top 300 out of 7,000. This guy has you at $20 price target right now before earnings are even happening. This is exactly what I want to see heading into these earnings. All right, guys, and you can see here on Yahoo Finance, market cap is still right around $9 billion for SoFi. And a lot of people are always asking me, is the bank charter priced in? Is everything priced in with this market cap? Guys, listen to the experts. You don't have to listen to me at all, okay? If we go over to the market capitalization calculator and we put in this $20 price target, he's got the market capitalization with all the outstanding shares, 894 million, right around, 18 billion market cap. So this analyst is seeing almost a double from here, guys. This is amazing upside, and we haven't even heard the guidance or any of these, acquisitions that they made of what they're truly going to do. Also, the Pagaya partnership, we have to wait and listen, but you can see there is ridiculous upside from these levels from this guy from Wedbush. I mean, he is literally the cream of the crop once again. So this is an amazing price target in my personal opinion. This market cap is significantly undervalued, and I really think this company by the end of the year could be a 30 billion market cap company easily. And if you put, a 30 billion, market cap on this stock, that is going to be, literally a $34 stock from here. So if you've been loading up at these levels, $10, $12, $15, everybody's looking at a double from here. These are the times you want to be buying when you hear nonstop FUD on the market for over a year, COVID, inflation, war. This will not last. I know it's been very, very painful, but these are the buying opportunities, and the market will correct itself eventually. And that's what, happened with the NASDAQ and technology. Negative 23% correction, and we have been bouncing back pretty strong. If this war, comes to an end and inflation peaks, we're going to be entering a massive bull run for 2022. You just got to remain patient. And it looks like the rate hike is going to be right around 25, a quarter of a percent rate hike. So they're going to go gradually and just keep doing a quarter. It looks like it doesn't look like they're going to do a 0.5%. So we just got to remain patient and hope, these rate hikes, help slow inflation down, to calm this inflation down. So just continue to average down. And you can see, guys, the NASDAQ literally finished green today. That is a great sign, okay? Even with this war news out there. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. SoFi, looks like it's going to have, strong guidance just by the website traffic, all these acquisitions that they made. I know a lot of people have been getting afraid of, student loans getting pushed back again. I believe that's why SoFi is putting in all these deals in place and all these acquisitions to battle student loans, because, student loans is not safe right now. There's a lot of reasons why it continues to get pushed out, and I know it's been over 2 years. It just looks like SoFi is not worrying about student loans right now, and trying to put as many other revenue streams in place to battle those student loans. So once again, I do not know if student loans are going to get pushed back further than May. I hope not, of course. That's going to be an additional, 150 million in revenue for SoFi for the year. We just have to be patient and believe in the management that they are doing everything they can, to put out great guidance full year for 2022. Be sure to read up on these analysts, read up on their fundamentals, and read up on why they're providing these price targets. That is exactly what I do, and that's why I've been averaging down, the past couple of months since that last earnings where we actually had a guidance raise, just like this earnings report, we had a guidance raise. So guys, these are the buying opportunities. Once again, be sure to smash the like button. Don't forget to drop a comment, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. My name's Kyle. Hope you have a great day.